Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today we have a quick, short, fast, little unboxing for you. Take a look here. My unboxing knife of the day is the S35 Pintail. Pretty sweet knife. You guys will appreciate that whenever I do the review. You guys will learn to love it. So, what do we have here? This is another Kansept knife, guys. This one's a little bit different, though. Oof. You guys have no idea how excited I am. Remember how I told you I love the Kryo? Well, this is the Kansept Kryo in titanium and S35. No side to side, no up and down. Pretty damn good action. And the detent is pretty strong, but I like it. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Alright, put this into perspective. Let's get you guys. There we go. There are the two Kansept Kryos right next to each other. Oh, Jesus. I know this isn't a finger choil, but I can't wait for this to just break in just a little bit. Oh my gosh. So, we got the blue hardware, the nice titanium clip. These are titanium scales with the titanium frame lock. We have an over travel stop, some back spacers, which the one thing about Kansept that's irritated me, I asked them why didn't they do those blue? Well, we chose it by design to let you do whatever you want with them. Frickin' BS. Like, absolute BS. Like, don't BS us if we ask. We just chose not to do it. Don't tell me so I can do whatever I want with them. Oh, and then they followed it up with, it's super easy to anodize. Come on. Like, then anodize it. Don't. Anyways. Mine. Action, though. Pretty good. Everything's tight right now. I can just feel it. Everything is tight, but it feels so good. Oh, man, does it feel good. Don't feel any hot spots. Ergonomics feel great. The contouring of this titanium feels really nice. Ambidextrous pocket clip, if you guys couldn't tell. And if you guys couldn't tell, this is probably a forever knife. That is how much I loved the Kryo itself. So this is more than likely going to be a forever knife. That it's just so good. Oh my gosh. Let's see here. Just a quick cut test. Yeah, she's sharp. As they say in Forged in Fire, she will kill. Okay. I don't have too much else other than to drone on about how gorgeous and awesome this knife is. It's just, I'm so in love with the Kansept Kryo. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Typical Kansept packaging. You get a nice little Kansept cloth and some potty legislature. Legislature. No, some potty reading. Literature. Legislature, what the but other than that, guys, that is all I got. This is the Kansept Kryo. Oh gosh, is it so good looking. You guys cannot tell me this is a good looking knife. So the action, as I said, great. Ergonomics, great. Feeling in hand, great. You can get all 4 fingers plus some. The only thing that I don't like, silver standoffs. Like, why? Why would you do that? But, and then like this one, Like, make it blue. Seriously. Come on, Kansept. That's half-ass. Half-assery. But S35VN blade. Awesome blade shape. Super just... I was torn between this and the silver one with the gold hardware. But I'm a black on black guy. So I stuck with what I prefer. And this is, by far and large, what I prefer. Oh man, I'm so excited about this guy. You guys see the unboxing for the QSP Nokomis? And I said that I don't want to open knives in the same package together because I don't want it to overshadow it. And just look at this. This would have overshadowed it. Perfect jimping. Like, rounded. The top's a little sharp, but because of the coating, it's good. Swedge going down there. We have chamfering all around the edges, but it's chamfering enough to make it feel contoured. And I think it is contoured, actually. It's like contoured with chamfering. And it, like, no billboarding. Their sign, or their logo, looks fantastic. S35VN with a little serial number. And then just titanium. Oh man. Oh my goodness. The Kansept Kryo, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, have a great freaking day. Thank you guys so much for watching. This beast is beautiful. So excited.